Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing operators. Next, let's talk about assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables, and there are several types of assignment operators in Python that are used to perform different operations. The first operator is simple assignment operator. Symbol used to represent this simple assignment operator is equals to. So we can write left operand equal to right operand. The assignment operators are used to assign the values of right side of the expression to the left side operand. So here left operand must be a variable, right operand can be an expression or value, or it can be a variable which refers to a value. Okay, just for an example here we can say x equal to 500. Value 500 is assigned to x. Y equal to 10. This is an assignment operator, or we can take z equal to x plus y. Here x plus y is an expression. Will evaluates to then assign to variable z. So as I said, this is wrong. 5 equal to 10 is wrong. So left operand must be a variable. So this is about assignment operator. Next operator is addition assignment operator. Symbol used to represent addition assignment operator is this, plus equal. Syntax is like this, left operand and right operand, and left operand must be a variable which refers to some value, and right operand can be value or expression. Here the value of right operand is added to the left operand and then the result is assigned to the left operand. Just for an example here we can see x equal to 10, y equal to 5. 10 and 5 is added and the result will be stored in variable x. Alright, so the next operator is subtraction assignment operator. Symbol used is this, subtraction symbol, minus and equal to symbol. Syntax is this, left operand, subtraction assignment operator and right operand. Left operand must be a variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be value or expression. Here this operator is used to subtract the right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Just for an example, a equal to 10, b equal to 5. 5 will be subtracted from 10, then result will be stored in a. Next operator is multiplication assignment operator. Symbol is this, asterisk followed by equals to operator. Syntax is left operand, multiplication assignment operator, right operand. This operator is used to multiply left operand to the right operand and assign the result to left operand. Here we can see an example, a equal to 3, b equal to 5. 5 and 3 is multiplied and the result is stored in a. So here also left operand must be a variable which must refers to some value, and right operand can be a value or an expression. Next operator is division assignment operator. Symbol is this. Syntax is left operand, right operand. Left operand must be variable, refers to some value. Right operand can be value, expression or variable with some value. This operator is used to divide left operand by right operand and assign the result to left operand. So here we can see an example. Next operator is modulus assignment operator. Symbol is this, percentage equals to. Syntax is left operand, modulus assignment operator followed by right operand. Left operand must be a variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be value or expression or variable. And this operation is used to find the remainder of the division of left operand by the right operand and then assign the remainder to left operand. Here we can see the example. Next operator is floor division assignment operator. So symbol is this. Syntax is left operand and right operand. Left operand must be a variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be value or expression. This operator is used to divide left operand by right operand and round the result down to the nearest integer and assign the result or store the result in the left operand. Perform floor division operation and assign the result to left operand. That's it. Here we can see the example. So the next operator is power assignment operator or exponentiation assignment operator. Symbol is this, exponent operator followed by equals to. Left operand and right operand. Syntax is this. Left operand can be a variable which refers to some value. right operand can be value, expression, or a variable. This operator is used to calculate exponent value using operands, then assign the result to left operand. Here is an example. A equal to 3, B equal to 5. First find the exponent, then assign the result to A. Next assignment operator is bitwise AND assignment operator. So symbol is this, bitwise AND operator followed by assignment operator. Syntax is left operand, bitwise AND assignment operator, right operand. Left operand can be variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be value or an expression or variable with some value. This operation is used to perform bitwise AND operation on operands and assign the result to the left operand. Here we have an example. A equal to 3, B equal to 10. So perform bitwise AND operation and assign the result to variable A. Next operator is bitwise OR assignment operator. Symbol is this, bitwise OR and assignment operator. Syntax is this, left operand, bitwise OR assignment operator, right operand. Left operand can be a variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be value or an expression or a variable with some value. This operator is used to perform bitwise OR operation on the operands and then assign the result to the left operand. Here is an example. A equal to 5, B equal to 2 and result is assigned to variable A. Next operator is bitwise XOR assignment operator. So symbol is this, bitwise XOR operator followed by equals to. Syntax is this, left operand, bitwise XOR assignment operator, right operand. Left operand can be a variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be variable or value or an expression. This operator is used to perform bitwise XOR operation on the operands, then assign the result to left operand. So here is an example. A equal to 10, B equal to 5 and assign the result to A. Alright, next assignment operator is bitwise right shift assignment operator. Symbol used to represent this operator is this, 2 greater than symbol followed by assignment operator. Syntax is this, left operand, bitwise right shift assignment operator and right operand. Left operand can be variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be value or expression or variable with some value. This operator is used to perform bitwise right shift operation on the operands and then assign the result to the left operand. Here is an example. A equal to 3, right shift by 2 and assign the result to A. Okay, so the next assignment operator is bitwise left shift assignment operator. Symbol used to represent this operator is this, lesser than symbol, 2 lesser than symbol followed by the assignment operator. Syntax is this, left operand, bitwise left shift assignment operator, right operand. So left operand can be a variable which refers to some value. Right operand can be a value or an expression or a variable with some value. This operator is used to perform bitwise left shift operation on the operands and then assign the result to the left operand. Here is an example. X equal to 5, assign the result to X. Okay, so this is about assignment operators. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.